Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. Upgrade your kitchen with faster cooking, crispy results, and energy-saving performance designed for modern homes and busy lifestyles. Discover the best halogen ovens that deliver healthy meals, even heating, simple controls, compact design, and reliable everyday convenience for every family. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Big Boss 9065 Oven. The Big Boss 9065 oven stands out as a reliable and versatile halogen oven designed for users who want healthier cooking without sacrificing flavor. One of its biggest strengths is its oil-free frying system, which uses powerful 360-degree convection heat to circulate hot air evenly around food. This process creates crispy textures similar to deep frying, while significantly reducing fat and calories. Whether you are preparing chicken, fries, seafood, or vegetables, this oven consistently delivers balanced results with minimal effort. The wide temperature range from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit allows users to experiment with different cooking styles, including baking, roasting, grilling, and toasting, making it a true all-in-one kitchen appliance.
Number 2. NutriChef Halogen Oven Countertop. The NutriChef Halogen Oven Countertop offers an impressive combination of power, versatility, and simplicity, making it a practical choice for modern kitchens. Equipped with a 1200-watt heating element, this oven heats quickly and distributes hot air efficiently for even cooking results. Its wide temperature range from 149 degrees Fahrenheit to 482 degrees Fahrenheit gives users excellent control over various cooking tasks, from slow roasting to high-temperature grilling. One of its standout features is the ability to cook frozen food without preheating, saving valuable time while preserving flavor and texture. The spacious 13-quart glass bowl allows users to prepare family-sized portions with ease, making it suitable for daily meals and small gatherings. This oven supports multiple cooking functions, including defrosting, broiling, baking, steaming, and barbecuing, which reduces the need for several separate appliances.
Number 3. NutriChef PKAI FAR 48 Oven. The NutriChef PKAI FAR 48 oven is a powerful and versatile halogen air fryer designed to simplify healthy cooking at home. Featuring a 1200-watt heating system, this model heats rapidly and maintains consistent temperatures for precise results. With adjustable settings ranging from 149 degrees Fahrenheit to 482 degrees Fahrenheit, users can easily switch between gentle warming and high-heat grilling depending on their recipes. One of its strongest advantages is its multifunctional design, which supports defrosting, roasting, baking, steaming, grilling, and barbecuing. This versatility reduces kitchen clutter and enhances overall efficiency. The spacious 13-quart glass cooking bowl offers enough room for preparing meals for families, while allowing users to visually monitor food during cooking. Its infrared convection technology promotes even heat distribution and reduces the need for excessive oil, making meals healthier without sacrificing taste. Compared to traditional frying methods, this oven provides a safer and cleaner cooking environment with minimal mess.
Big Boss 8605 Oven. This is the silver version of the Big Boss line, and it's arguably the powerhouse of the group. It bumps the wattage up to 1500 watts, making it one of the fastest cookers we've tested. Like its sibling, it has a 16-quart capacity and uses that same triple-threat heating method: halogen, infrared, and convection. We like the silver finish because it hides fingerprints way better than the black or white plastic models. It's built with 3 cooking levels, so we can roast a chicken on the bottom rack while crisping up veggies on the top. It's completely Teflon-free, which is great for anyone worried about forever chemicals in their kitchen. The higher wattage means it recovers heat faster after you open the lid. The benefit here is pure speed. You aren't waiting around for the unit to get back up to temp. It's a premium-feeling machine that's perfect for people who want the maximum power possible in a countertop unit. If you have the space for it, this thing is a beast that replaces several other appliances easily. KPfaster Halogen Oven Countertop.
We're rounding out the list with this 12-liter model from KPfaster. It's a bit smaller than the others, making it the best pick for solo cooks or couples with limited counter space. It uses a 360-degree vertical heating system that's surprisingly effective at removing excess grease from meats. One thing to note is that the temperature dial is often in Celsius, so we had to do some quick math, but it's a minor hurdle for the value you get. It's a no-frills, budget-friendly option that still includes a recipe book and the necessary racks. The high borosilicate glass is tough and handles thermal shock well. We found it's excellent for making a whole chicken or a small batch of roasted potatoes. It doesn't have the raw volume of the Big Boss, but it's much easier to clean in a standard sink. It's a great entry-level oven for anyone curious about halogen cooking who doesn't want to overspend. It's simple, effective, and small enough to tuck away in a cabinet when you're finished. It proves you don't need a massive footprint to get great results.
And that's a wrap on your top halogen oven picks. If you're ready to upgrade your cooking game, check the links in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and kitchen breakdowns. We'll see you in the next one.